Welcome to our tutorial on resetting auto-downloads on WhatsApp when using it on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open WhatsApp on your PC. Ensure that the application is launched and ready for you to access the necessary settings. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Settings. This will bring up a menu where you can adjust various preferences to customize your WhatsApp experience on your PC. Within the Settings menu, locate and select Chats. Then proceed to Media Auto Download. This section allows you to manage your preferences for automatically downloading various types of media files. Now, it's time to reset your auto download settings. Click on Reset Auto Download to revert your preferences back to the default settings. This action will clear any customizations you have made and restore the default auto download settings. By following these simple steps, you can reset your auto download settings on WhatsApp and ensure that your media files are downloaded according to the default configurations. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful in resetting auto downloads on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Simplify your media management on WhatsApp by resetting your auto download settings on your PC.